Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear caches in Binance. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Binance app on your phone. Then you tap at the Binance icon, which is at the top. Then you tap on the settings icon, which is the gear button. Then you scroll down a little, then you tap on this clear caches, and currently you can see that this caches, Binance is currently taking about 118.74 megabyte space with caches on my iPhone. So I'm just going to tap on this caches, then I'm just simply going to clear it. I can see succeed, then the space consumed has been reduced.